everybody, and welcome to another episode of Computer Central 101. And today we are going to be talking about Google News. And a lot of Google stuff has been going on in the last few days, few weeks. There's Project Fi, Project Sunroof, On-Hub Router, and of course, as of yesterday, the new Google logo, and as of today, which is now rolling out, the new Google app. So, let's get started. So first we're going to talk about Project Fi. Now, Project Fi is this sort of new way to connect from Google. They partnered with, I think AT&T and some other carriers, to make this network where they want to keep carrier costs low, but they also want you to have connection at all times. So what Project Fi does is it intelligently switches connection sources from cellular to Wi-Fi. So when there's a reliable Wi-Fi network, it switches off of cellular and onto Wi-Fi. And then when the Wi-Fi network goes away, it switches off of Wi-Fi and onto cellular. And it's supposed to be seamless. I don't know how it works, but if you buy Nexus 6, you can sign up for the Project Fi program. And so anyways, that's Project Fi, and I think it's a cool kind of initiative from Google, but I don't have the Nexus 6 for Project Fi testing, but I think they're going to roll it out to their Chromebooks and their tablets eventually, soon enough. So it's still a new project, and I think it's a pretty cool idea. Okay, now we have Project Sunroof. Now, if we just play the video here, they're saying that, well, the sun is this huge energy source that helps you save money, but people aren't exactly grabbing that money because they don't know, where to start, who to hire, how much it'll save them, if their house gets enough sunlight, how much it'll cost them, all that stuff. So what Project Sunroof is, it helps you minimize Google searching to put up a sunroof, and instead, it's google.com/sunroof, and they're trying to map the whole country of how much sun your house gets on its roof using existing Google Maps technology, and how much you'll save and how much it'll cost you and local people nearby and all that stuff. And right now they are starting with 3 cities, I believe Boston, Fresno, and San Francisco. I think so, but that's Project Sunroof, and Project Sunroof seems pretty cool, but I don't know when it's going to roll out to the whole United States, and eventually they want it to span the whole world, and that's pretty ambitious, so that everybody can save money from this huge energy source in the sky. And if you live in Boston, Fresno, or San Francisco, you go to google.com/sunroof and everything is already mapped for you. So that's Project Sunroof. Now we're going to talk about the new Google logo, which is actually very new news. So now we have the new Google logo, and if we roll this video from Google Evolved, it shows you a progression of how Google has started as a company and how the logos have really defined the company and how Google has continued to what used to be the look. And then Google introduced Android, Chrome, all these things, Google Web, Google Images, Google Videos, Google Books, Google News, Google Maps, Google Chrome, Android, all that stuff. And now they have this new logo, which is a bit more playful. It's a playful font, and that's basically all there is to it. But there's more to it. It matches its new parent company Alphabet's logo, so they look similar now, and it's showing Google shifting to a new design language, a flatter, more playful design language. And they introduced this new Google Now app the other day, or yesterday, with their new Google logo and the new 4 Google dots. And people have very mixed feelings about it. Some people think it's a great design fit for the modern world, while other people say that it's too childish and they hate it and they want them to switch it back to the other version. But maybe this is because I'm a kid, but I really like the new logo. I like all the new animations, the new fancy animations in Google Search, and the new animations in the Google app for Android, and all that stuff. Anyways, so it's not a huge change right now, but it's going to progress until the new Google logo and this new Google design language is in all the Google services, in all the Google apps, across all platforms, and on the web. So they still have a long way to go. This is still the tip of the iceberg for this company. This company is still new and they can still do a lot with their technology. So anyways, that's the new Google logo. And now we're going to talk about OnHub. It's a router for the new way to Wi-Fi. We're going to talk more about that now. Well, Google OnHub is a pretty mysterious product. It's a $200 router, which is pretty expensive, but it doesn't really match the speeds of other $200 routers. The real selling point with this is that there's an app and it's easy to control. And that's basically all. There's an Android app. It's called Google On, mysteriously. So maybe Google On is the name of Google's new smart home system. And Google On Hub is not just a router, but a hub for all your smart home stuff. Because they've advertised Google On Hub as always updating. So it's a router that always updates from Google's cloud. And that's basically all. It's not as fast as you'd expect from a $200 router, but it's not bad either. It's like normal speeds, and there has to be something more to it. That's probably going to be revealed at a news conference or something, sort of like Google's new smart home thing, and OnHub is like the hub of everything, and it also includes a Wi-Fi router or something like that. So that's Google OnHub. It doesn't have much of a point as for now, but it can expand. It's like this tiny box of unfilled potential, because it can upgrade itself, and it's easy to control, and they've already built the infrastructure, so they can go up and expand from there. And that's what OnHub is. And it's not much quite yet, but it might be something to think about as Google progresses with this product idea. So anyways, that was Google News. Today we talked about Project 5, Project Sunroof, Google's new logo, and Google OnHub. A lot of stuff is going on at this company, and this company is a company under change. Because just a month ago, Google split into Alphabet and Google. So now Google has a parent company, and now it has this new logo, Project Sunroof, Project Fi, Google OnHub, all this new stuff that sort of is the new Google. It uses web apps and services to kind of tie people into the Google ecosystem, and it's actually a very convenient ecosystem. So anyways, that was Google News. So that was Google News, which I've already said 3 times now. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more. This season is going to be cut short because school is starting in 6 days, and there's no way I can make 3 more videos in 6 days. So look out for the Season 2, Episode 5, Season Finale live event announcement. And other than that, there's not much other stuff to talk about, so see you next time.